Hey guys, what's up? It's Shaniiee Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of our local Dollar Tree. If you could see it through the window in the back, we are running in to Dollar Tree just to pick up a few things. My sister Sarah is with us for a few days and she wanted some arts and crafts stuff, so we're gonna run into Dollar Tree and see what they have. I'm gonna show you guys everything once I get out. Say hi to my camera. Okay, so we're gonna run in and pick up a few things, and I guess I'll just show you guys everything once I get back in the house. So if you want to see everything that we pick up, then stay tuned and keep on watching.
I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the.
We are just going to jump right into this video because I have tons and tons of cool stuff to share with you guys. I already did the intro in the car, so you guys already know what the mission was at Dollar Tree. We went to our local Dollar Tree and we was able to find so many cool items. As usual, I love Dollar Tree. Who doesn't love Dollar Tree? Everything's a dollar. So starting with this bag, I'm going to show you guys. We got this doodle pad for Sarah, and this is just the doodle pad with just the white pieces of paper. She loves to draw, so we went to find things for her to keep her busy these next few days. We picked up this LOL crossword search book, and I thought that this was really cute. I love these little activity books for her to do because it keeps her busy. Then we got her and Jackson some construction paper, and these are just the colorful kind. They bring a bunch of different colors in there, and this has 36 sheets, so that for $1. I think in Target that'll cost like way more than that. Then in the crafter square section, we were able to find these two aprons, and it's just in the color green. That was the only color that they had, and these are stain resistant and they look like they're a canvas material, so I can probably wash these up when they're done with them. This is for painting and I guess other crafts that this is just so that their clothes don't get stained and stuff like that. So we picked up 2 of these. Then I picked up this box of number 2 pencils. These pencils are pre-sharpened and they bring 10 in this pack. You cannot go wrong with pencils because I can never find pencils or pens around the house just to like jot down little notes. So it's always good to have this. It's only $1. Then we picked up this pencil pouch, or just like a little pouch for her to put her things in, and this just has 2 butterflies. When I had bought mine, all they had was rabbits because it was around Easter time, so this print is very cute. I think that she would like this a lot. We picked up these 2 lunch trays. This is in the color red, this is in the color pink, and these are pretty self-explanatory. We just have different compartments for like lunch and breakfast and stuff like that. They usually like to have different things on the plate. That way, I guess, I don't know, kids just usually like a little bit of everything. So this will come in handy. Then we picked up this slime pack. Sarah loves slime, so we saw this there and we decided to pick this up, and I'm guessing it's just slime in a bag. Yeah. Then I picked up these 2 items. These 2 items I heard from another YouTuber. I watched another YouTuber's video, and she said that she gets flashcards from Dollar Tree, which I've always gotten flashcards from there, but I've never thought to punch holes in the flashcards and put book rings through them. It makes it more accessible for Jackson and easier for him to just play with his flashcards rather than spilling them all over the place and making a huge mess. So I decided to pick this up, and this is just a hole puncher, and then these are just the book rings. Y'all need to run to Dollar Tree before they are out of these again, because they have the disinfectant sprays, and this is the second time that I've seen them there. I am just stocking up in case that there's you hear the police cars outside, in case that there's a second wave of coronavirus. I want to be prepared this time. And for some reason, Lysol looks like it went out of business, because I can't find Lysol anywhere. And I used to buy Lysol on a regular, like the disinfectant sprays, because that's what I clean my kids' toys with. Can't find it anywhere. Cannot find Lysol anywhere. Then we picked up these two Color Sense packs, and these say Vivid Colors Therapeutic Scents with essential oils. And this is just the pack with blue and orange. This is the pack with purple and black, and they are medium tip markers. Moving on to the second bag of items that we bought, we picked up these two, what are these? Canvases, and they just have little pictures on them, and they bring 4 paints and a paintbrush. And I thought that this would be a cool little activity for Sarah and my son to do. This one just has a little cat with pizza and a lightning bolt. This one looks like it's just a raccoon with a leaf behind him. And I just thought that they would like to do this as an activity. I mean, keeps them busy. Then I picked up this Crayola pencil top erasers for Sarah. She loves drawing, and I don't know if she makes any mistakes while she's drawing, but I picked these up just in case. Then we found these really, really cool Crayola pencil and crayon sharpeners, and I've never seen pencil and crayon sharpeners unless that's what the big one is always for. I never knew that that was for crayons. For some reason I would always think that crayons would like get gunky in there, but we picked this up for Jackson and Sarah, and I just thought that this would be kind of cool, especially if she's trying to draw color in the lines. She can get the tip of her crayon real pointy, so that's gonna be cool. Then I picked up a few stickers. Let me see if I can grab all of them, because we picked up a bunch of stickers. This one just has like little unicorns and stuff like that inside of it, and like mermaids, and I just thought that she would really like this one. And it's a whole sticker book. It brings 5 sheets of stickers. I'm sorry if that's really loud outside. They have a huge truck doing construction right there, so hopefully my mic is good enough where I can talk over it, because I can't really wait until they're done. Then we picked up these stickers, and these are just 3D stickers, and they just have little sayings on it. Then we picked up these puffy stickers. We just picked these up because we thought that they would like these as well. Then we got these little hair accessories for Sarah. Where I'm from, we call these bubbles, and I thought that these would be really cute in her hair. I got these pastel colors and these bright colors, and I just thought that she would like these. Then we got some Play School glue sticks. Then we got some colored pencils. You can't go wrong with a pack of good color pencils. Then we have this 20 pack of fine tip markers, and it brings all of these colors. You guys, where are you getting a pack of markers like this for $1? Okay?
Dollar Tree, that's where.
And then we picked up crayons, Crayola crayons, and Crayola chalk. Then we got some glitter crayons. And last thing that we got was this pack of kid-friendly scissors. So that is all of the art supplies that we got for Sarah and Jackson in this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. I love shopping at Dollar Tree, therefore I love giving you guys these types of videos. Let me know down below in the comments what are you running to your Dollar Tree for. But yeah, that's it. That is everything that we bought. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.